Hello future company secretaries, welcome to the channel. In this video you will get to know how to register for CS executive program after passing CSEET exam. Firstly you have to visit the website of the institute, that is ICSI.edu. Then you can see here online services tab. Move your cursor on it. Now if you look down a little bit, here you can see registration for CSEET pass students. Click here. Now, before proceeding to registration form, please make sure that you are ready with a soft copy of the following documents: your photograph, signature, date of birth certificate or 10th pass certificate, your qualification certificate, that would be 12th mark sheet or CSET pass certificate. Please note there is no CSET pass certificate. Your CSET mark sheet is the pass certificate. Category certificate if any, if you are general, if you are OBC, SC, ST. Your identity proof, that would be your Aadhaar card or passport or voter ID card, PAN card, driving license or ration card. Please note this: the file should be present in one of the following formats: JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF, BMP, PDF. Maximum allowed file size is 2 MB. For student photo, it should be between 20 KB to 50 KB. For student signature, it should be between 10 KB to 20 KB. Now proceed to registration after ensuring all these. Now they are asking for your CSET unique number, CSET roll number, and the verification code provided here. After submitting, you will be asked for your basic information, that is the applied program, that would be executive program, your qualification, that would be CSET pass, your Aadhaar number which is not compulsory, your name, your gender, your date of birth, your phone number, your email ID, your residential address, your permanent address. After submitting your basic details, a unique request ID will be generated which will be sent to your mail ID and SMS. You should note this down, because if during the process of the application anything happened and your application remains incomplete, then you can complete your application by entering this request ID. Now click on next. Enter your parent and educational details: father's name, mother's name, name of the school from which you have passed your 12th exam, exam pass which will be 12th, university or board which could be any state board, CBSE or ISC. Your main subjects can be anything: English, accounts, commerce, science, maths. Then enter your exam pass year. Click on next. After this, they are asking the source of information. How did you come to know about the company secretary course? Here will be option like advertisement, CS student, CS member, chartered secretary, or any other sources. Payment is of 10,600. It can be 10,100 if you don't want to subscribe to the chartered secretary. It is a monthly issue of ICSI which will be sent to your residential address if you opt for it. If you don't want to opt for it, then uncheck by clicking on this box. Then you have to make the payment of 10,100, and if you want it, then you have to make the payment of 10,600. Now click on next. After this, you have to upload your photos, signature, and the documents. Please make sure the photo size should not be more than 50 KB. It means between 20 KB to 50 KB. Signature should be between 10 KB to 20 KB. After the uploadation of document, the preview page will be there. You have to check your details you have submitted. If everything will be okay, confirm the application by clicking here. After the confirmation, the payment mode selection page will be arrived. If you want to pay offline, click on Challan, and if you want to pay through online mode, then click on Bill Desk and pay using your credit card, debit card, internet banking or electronic wallet. In the next page, you will be provided with your request ID and transaction ID. Then click on proceed. You will be taken to the payment gateway. On successful payment, you will be registered in executive program and the same will be intimated through your email and SMS on the registered email ID and mobile number. Please take a note of this. Executive registration number will be used as your login ID in the Smash portal. Smash portal is the student portal of ICSI. You will be provided with the registration number and one-time password. After the first login, you have to change your password according to your wish and the registration number will remain same. Now for any further information or clarification guidance, please route your query through support.icsi.edu. You can also ask your query in the comment box of this video. Wish you all the best for your journey to this profession. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more CS course related updates.